Hey, it's JP. Mark Zuckerberg, the leader of Meta, which owns Facebook, Instagram, and Threads, recently announced the elimination of content moderation and fact-checking on these platforms. This is all in the name of free speech. With the changes in content moderation, users will now be able to say that LGBT people are mentally ill, something that was removed from medical books in the mid-70s, and they will also be able to refer to women as owned objects of property. That does not contribute to a healthy society. Because of these changes, I have decided to change the way I promote my channel. I will no longer promote on Instagram, Threads, or Facebook. If that's the way you know about new content, then please go ahead and hit the subscribe button here on my YouTube channel. I am all about free speech, but I'm also about truth, and I'm about facts, and I'm about respect. And Meta does not promote that on their platforms anymore. Now, I'm outside, it's a beautiful day, and a great day for a hike.
It's about a 45-minute drive from downtown Tucson to the Loma Alta trailhead in Saguaro National Park East.
Hello and welcome to the channel. It is a chilly day in Saguaro National Park East. It's around 32 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm okay with that. The sun's going to warm it up in just a little bit. Not a cloud in the sky. Beautiful sunshine, no breeze. Beautiful day for a hike. Today we are checking out the Hope Camp Trail, going all the way to Hope Camp. And then we're going to check out a little bit of the Quilter Trail. Total hike going to be around 9 miles. I'm looking forward to it. As I mentioned in a previous episode, I am really excited about storm chasing this year. I had mentioned earlier that I have found a Tucson storm chasing group, and I'm excited to be joining that. I also joined another group called Storm Chasing Coaching, and I'm including a link to that in the description if you're so interested. The sun hasn't peeked up over this ridge yet, but the Hope Camp Trail will be good for either sunrise or sunset. So saguaro cactuses tend to be found only in southern Arizona here in the United States and northern Sonora in Mexico, and they usually live between 0 and 5,000 feet MSL. These guys have been around for decades. The bigger they are, of course, the longer they've been around, and we're talking many, many decades. As you work your way along the Hope Camp Trail, you'll come over a ridge and then you'll have a beautiful view of the Rincon Valley. Welcome to the end of the Hope Camp Trail. We are at the appropriately named Hope Camp, or is the Hope Camp Trail named after Hope Camp? Something to think about. 2.6 miles from the Loma Alta trailhead, and a very gentle up and down, very wide trail, very scenic, highly recommended for anyone of any hiking skill level. So I'm about a mile into the Quilter Trail. I'm going to turn around and hike 3.5 miles back to the trailhead. So I'm going to take this time to say thank you for coming along on my hike today. I really appreciate you following along, and I appreciate your feedback with your comments, your likes, and your subscriptions. Remember, in this increasingly chaotic world, we need to go outside to find the magic of the universe to bring the positive energy to our thoughts, which will dye our soul white, gold, purple, and silver. Thanks for following along today. See you next time. Quick little tip, if you encounter a gate when you're hiking, if the gate is open, leave the gate open. If the gate is closed, close the gate behind you. If the gate is locked, find another trail. If the gate is open, it's allowing cattle to get to the water that they need to get to. If the gate is closed, it's for the cattle safety. And if the gate is locked, it's for your safety.